I'm Joe Pappo. I'm a regional manager at DN Tanks in our Concrete Tank Services division. Concrete Tank Services Group rehabilitates and retrofits all types of concrete liquid retaining structures, mostly tanks that we were not originally involved in constructing. I worked on a project to replace a dome on a digester for the city of Bethlehem. This was a 500,000 gallon digester that was built in 1947, and it was beginning to show its age. As part of this project, we removed the existing concrete dome, designed and installed a new reinforced pre-stressed concrete dome, and also installed a protective coating on the underside of the tank roof and the top section of the tank wall. One of the challenges of working on this project was that this is an existing wastewater treatment plant that had to remain operational for the entire duration of the project. This means that operations of the plant are ongoing around us at all times. There's also many other contractors out there working on a much larger project that we need to interface with. I really enjoyed working on this project because I was able to build a very close relationship with the client because I was involved from the beginning all the way through the end. From the initial inspection and evaluation, I took on the project management and then was involved in the final testing, startup, and ultimately the acceptance. I'm Joe Pappo, and I'm making sure DN Tanks is built for the future.